right here. It says oil right on it.
That's where you put the oil in.
Here. Right? And watch. You pull it out. And then, look, it says that, but you don't do that yet. You wipe it off. I'm so impressed with myself. And then you put it in one more time. And then you, voila. And there's none at all. Like, not a drop. That means
It's all over your hand.
that means you need oil. We have none. I'm obviously trying to seize the engine. We have literally none. Do you even want to see where I know to put the oil? Put it right in there.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you curious how I know that? I'm curious how I know that. I had no idea.